Bring a guideline to 656. Zoom in. 656. And select the T from the keyboard. Click here and type payment. Click OK from the option bar and place it aligned with the guideline. Go to the character panel. Change the font to Helvetica New Light. Size is 52 and the color is totally white. Minimize this. And go to the exercise file. From there, bring this image, card PNG. Open this icon in Photoshop. Bring this image to our working document and place it here. We can't see this image since both are the same color. Press Ctrl or Command T from the keyboard and see our images here. Select OK. Select that one again. Select the Move tool now. Click here to move the icon and place it here. OK. So while that layer is selected, the icon layer of the card, select the FX from the layer panel. Select color overlay. So select the color and type this hex code, which is 6B6B75. Click OK. Click OK. So now we have colorized this card PNG. So let's press Ctrl or Command T from the keyboard and hold down the Shift key to make it smaller. Click OK. Grab a guideline. Place with the payment. OK, press Ctrl or Command plus T. Our icon is the same size as the payment text, and it's aligned with the guideline on the left-hand side, which I think is 51 pixels, this guideline, from the left-hand side. Let's bring a guideline again. Place it at 196, 196. OK, just release it. Select the payment text layer. Press the right arrow key from the keyboard and align this payment text with this new guideline at 196. OK, great. And now hold down the Control or Command key from the keyboard and select the layer with the card PNG. Control or Command G from the keyboard and double click here. Type payment. Press Enter. Select the background. Hold on Control or Command key from the keyboard. Select this one, which is the screenshot of the previous screen. And select the black color layer, which we reduce the opacity. While these three are selected, press Control or Command G from the keyboard. Oops, it's not working because this layer is locked. Let's click and unlock this one. Again, select these three. Command or Control G from the keyboard. It's a group, type BG background. And then let's zoom out. Zoom out. Let's organize our layers. Let's hold the Control or Command key from the keyboard and click in the top of the button, which is this one. OK. Drag this one and drop it into the BG group. So that layer is inside the BG group. Hold down Control or Command key and click here again. Yes, it is in the top bar. One small shape, rectangle shape. While selecting that one, select the status bar as well. And Control or Command G, type here again, status bar, press enter. And now select this one, this rectangle shape, hold down Control or Command and click here. See that layer is selected from the layer panel. Hold down Control or Command plus Shift key this time and click on the text Elizabeth Ford. See that text layer is selected. And now see this ellipse tool, which is for the profile image. Select that one and the layer. See, too much is selected now. Just leave this one. Click here in order to deselect it. The rectangle 4. Click again. Nothing is working. Hold down only Control or Command key and click here. See, only that layer is deselected. So how many? 1, 2, 3. Hold down again Control or Command key and click this one, the image layer of Elizabeth Ford. So Elizabeth Ford image and the oval shape, the ellipse round shape is selected. Elizabeth Ford text is selected, and this container of that rectangle shape is also selected. Press Command plus G. See what is inside this group. And double click here and type profile. Press enter. Now let's select this one. This one is the container for the new. Select new, click Command or Control plus G, double click new, press enter. While new is selected, hold down Control or Command key from the keyboard. Select Simplify Business Travel, Business Profile, and this one, the rectangle shape, the one containing that text. Press Control or Command plus G, double click, and type Business Profile. Press enter. So now all of our layers are organized in the layer panel. Let's zoom in and select the Move tool. Hold down Control or Command key and click here on the card icon. We will increase the size of this icon a little bit. Control or Command plus T from the keyboard. Hold down Alt or Option key and just increase it a little bit. This icon. To make sure that it's bigger than the text layer, let's increase it a little more. Hold down the Shift and Alt key together. Click OK. Control or Command plus 0 from the keyboard. Control or Command plus semicolon. Zoom in. Press the right arrow key from the keyboard. OK. Let's increase it a little bit again. Hold down Shift plus Alt key together. OK. Click OK from the option bar. Right arrow key to align it with the guideline. Now let's zoom out. And now we need a few icons and some text like history, notifications, share. So select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and drag a shape. Make the height 147. Okay, release it. Fill it with a red color and type here 147. Press enter. Minimize this. Select the Move tool. So snap this rectangle shape with the guideline from the top and the left-hand side. And to make a copy. Oops, sorry, don't make a copy. Grab a guideline and snap it with this bottom of this red rectangle shape. Again, bring this rectangle shape to here. Okay, grab another guideline and place it here. Let's zoom out. Again, bring this rectangle shape to snap it here. Grab another guideline and snap it here in the bottom of the rectangle shape. And select the red rectangle shape. Snap it with the guideline, top and left. And grab this guideline and snap it with the bottom of the rectangle shape. So how many rows do we have? 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 more. Snap it here. Select the guide, snap it with the bottom. Again, grab a guide. Snap it in with the bottom of the rectangle shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 rows. Now select the red rectangle from the toolbar and delete this one. Hold down Control or Command and click on this rectangle shape. Nothing is happening. Wait. Yeah, it's inside the payment. And here, see rectangle 6. So drag and delete this one. And now we have these 7 rows. We will put in here history icon, free ride icon. So select the payment group from the layer panel. Hold down Alt or Option key and drag this group to make a duplicate copy and place it here. Okay. Make sure this text, the payment text, is on the top of this guideline. Just place it here. Make another copy. Hold down Alt or Option and drag to make a duplicate copy and place it on top of these guidelines. Copy another one. Copy another one. Copy another one. Copy another one. So completed. Now take the second one, which would be this one. Yeah, expand it. Double click on the payment and type here, history. Control or Command plus Enter. So we have to align this text with the guideline from the bottom on the left-hand side. So press the left arrow key a few times, down arrow key a few times. Okay. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring the history PNG into Photoshop. And bring this icon to our working document. It's dropped somewhere here, so we don't see, since the background color and the icon color is the same. So press Control or Command plus T. So the icon is here. See the box around? So our icon is here. Click OK. And this is our layer. Let's colorize this one. Select the FX color overlay. From the color, change the color hex code to 6B6B75. Click OK. OK. So our history icon is visible now. Bring it here. Select the old one, card, this one, and delete this. Go back to our new history icon, Control or Command plus T, and make it smaller. Okay. Bring this one to here. Make it smaller. Okay. Make sure this icon is aligned with the guideline on the left one. Let's release it. And it would be a little bit bigger than this text layer. So see, it is a little bit bigger than the text layer. See from the bottom side and the top side. Select this payment, hold down the Control or Command key and click on this payment. It would be selected from the layer panel, which is inside payment to copy. So before doing that, let's shrink this one. This one is already done, so name this one History. History. Press Enter. Expand this one. Rename this one Free Rides. Press Enter. Expand this. Double-click on the text layer and type here, Free Rides, Control or Command plus Enter in order to accept it. Press the right arrow key from the keyboard or Shift plus the right arrow key to move it faster. And make sure it's aligned with the left and the bottom guideline. Yeah, it's aligned. Select this card icon, the old one. Delete this one. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring this one, Share PNG. Open it with Photoshop. Drag and drop inside our working document. We don't know where it is because the background color and the icon color is almost the same. So while that layer is selected, select the FX menu from the layer panel. Select Color Overlay. Select Color. It's the same color, the one we selected previously, so same color. Our icon is visible now. Click OK. Bring the icon to here. Make it smaller. Let's do this. Place it on top of this icon, and from there we make it smaller. Hold down the Shift key. From the bottom side, resize from the upper side. Click OK. Yeah, it's almost the same size of our last icon. We can place it here with this guideline. Press the down arrow key 1 time, 2 times, OK.